Okay guys. So ngayon, magluluto tayo ng chop suey for the very first time. At samahan niyo ako magluto. Pero bago yun, magsaing muna tayo. Ay nako guys, tingnan niyo ako. I really sweat. Burn out kanina kasi. Okay, magsaing muna tayo.
So, sa pagsasaing po, medyo hindi ako expert dito. Kaya pagpasensya niyo na.
Dalawang ganito. Tapos, huhugasan natin ng 2 beses.
Una, naglagay ako ng 2 takal ng bigas. Then, naglagay ako ng katamtamang tubig. Tapos, minikos-mikos na ni Insan. Pagkatapos natin imikos-mikos, ibuhos natin ang tubig. At sa pangalawang beses, lagyan natin ulit ng tubig at imikos-mikos natin ulit. Walang katapusang mikos-mikos na to ba? At panghuli ito na yung last at lagyan ng tubig pang sabaw tsaka i-measure ng ating mahiwagang kamay. Tapos, punasan na natin ang puwet ng rice cooker at tsaka isalang. Hintayin lang natin para maluto. At ayun, tapos na! At dumako naman tayo sa ating main event talaga, ang pagluluto ko ng chop suey for the very first time. Oh, bawal judgmental dahil hindi kayo judge at wala tayo sa court para husgahan kung anong dapat gawin. Biro lang. Oh, kung saan-saan nato napupunta ang usapan natin. So, balikan na natin ang misyon. Una, hinanda ko muna ang mga sangkap na gagamitin. Gaya nitong bawang, sibuyas, yung karne ng manok, mushrooms, broccoli, cauliflower, at saka carrots. Own version ko lang to na chop suey, kaya wag kayo magulo kaysa mali-mali ang ginagawa ko. Eme lang. So una, naglagay ako ng mantika sa mainit na kawali. Tapos pag mainit na nilagay ko na yung bawang. Sunod ang sibuyas. Tapos halo-halo lang ng konti hanggang mapula na yung bawang at sibuyas. Tapos ilagay na natin ang karne ng manok.
Agoy! Masakit yun!
Then, naglagay na ako ng konting pampalasa. Asin, magic sarap. At paminta. Tapos halo-halo ulit din takpan at maghintay ng ilang minuto tsaka isunod ang mushrooms at capsicum or bell pepper. Halo-halo lang ng onti. Then, nilagyan ko na pala ng oyster sauce.
Sana all.
Then, nilagay ko na ang mga gulay. At siya nga pala pinakuluan ko na yan ng onti at nilagay sa ice na matubig para madali lang maluto at fresh pa pakakainin. Panguli, nilagay ko na ang pinakang sauce or pampalapot na cornstarch at pagkatapos maghintay lang tayo ng 2 minuto. At ayun, tapos na! Luto na ang aking paboritong chop suey, so kainan na!
Okay guys, tapos na ako at ngayon, kain tayo. So guys, I have nothing to say. Let's just eat, okay? Oh, I need more rice. I need more rice. Rice is life, and I need that. Okay. Yeah. May init. Okay guys, this is the moment of truth. Sobrang sarap guys! Oh my God! Ay naku, hindi ako makapaniwala. I need more. Biro lang. Nagbibideo lang ako guys. So, anyway. This is actually it for today's vlog. I have nothing else to say anymore. Sobrang grateful ako. Meron akong pagkain. You really need to take care of you guys. You really need to take in consideration that you have food, you have drinks, you have a place to live. And that's already okay guys. As long as you can eat enough, drink enough, then you have everything actually already. Like when you're having a house or something like that where you can like stay. Dahil ngayon, ang dami ng mga tao iniisip nila, they want Lamborghini, they want 1 billion pesos, they want this, they want that. They're not grateful, they're not thankful guys. And I think that every time you think to yourself you want to have this, you want to have that, you're not like, tawag dito eh, you're not appreciating the things you have already. So para sa akin, I think to myself, as long as I can eat enough, as long as I have enough tubig, as long as I have a house, meron akong lahat, okay lang yun para sa akin. Okay? And I want you to know that this is the most important thing, that you take care of your health, you have enough of food, and enough of drinks in land. Okay? Guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you.